So today we're going to go over our words. We have, the independent variable, dependent variable, and control variable. So what I want you to do is to go to Google Classroom and open up the slides that I shared with you this morning. So in one box, it's plant, soil, pot, the unchanged thing, the effect, the constant variable that is change, the measured thing, the adjustable thing, the cause, variable affected by change. So everybody should be opened up to this page right here. And based on what you are currently thinking, I want you to put each of these squares down here into where you think they belong. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you guys do is go into breakout rooms. I set them up. And when you go into breakout rooms, you guys are going to compare the ones you have. So you might want to start off with, all right, for independent variable, what did you put in the boxes? For dependent variable, what did you put in the boxes? How might you use this word? And it could be, how might you use it when you're talking about anything? It could also be specific to science. And then when would you use this word to explain something, right? Look, I'm going to read the scenario, and I would like you to highlight the variables in the experiment that's described above. So whatever you think is part of the independent variable, you highlight. So just so you know, when you highlight, you can change the highlight color. So for me, I used this blue for independent variable, this purple for dependent variable, and this for control variable, but you could use the pinks, that way they're all near each other. Okay, so I'll read it and then you guys go through it on your document. So Maggie read that some plants grow better if the soil is acidic. She can't believe that a plant can grow. If you guys can write in the chat how well you understand variables after today, that would be great.